Welcome to the world of MedLinks, a center of excellence providing world-class hair and skin treatments. We are first choice for all the celebrities. We are leader in hair transplant in Delhi and Gurgaon. Advanced techniques and our success rate make MedLinks pioneer in celebrity hair transplants. We have celebrities like Gulshan, Viren Sehwag, RJ Rahul Makin from Fever 104 FM, who experienced our humble hospitality from MedLinks. For COVID safety, wearing mask is mandatory. Temperature checkup and sanitization is must at the entrance for everyone's safety. Stay safe and practice social distancing. World-class facilities are available to us with most advanced perfect eye method for hair transplant. Transplant is preferred using latest perfect eye method, which is far more better than the conventional FUE hair transplant technique.
Excellent, congratulations. Yeah, we also have a lot of proclamations, in our home. Yes. I'm very fond of them, but they belong to my son, Sanjay Grover. He works in Hollywood studios, and so beautiful. So, I mean, of course, I want to get the hair transplant done, but there's a major concern about safety. Also, what sort of procedure you follow?
So your main concern right now is to have some fullness in the hair, right? Which we can manage through lotions and medicines and with some hair transplant. Mm-hmm. The second concern is the receding of hairline. That's the main thing, right? And which is
that happens with like passing of time and like chemicals and like how we work in movies, we apply a whole lot of chemicals.
Yes, because of a lot of makeup and hair products.
Yes,
and of course with time it happens.
So time तो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, मैं 30-35 साल का ही हूँ.
But so now the even 25-year-olds have this problem. But maintain your hair well and but now the concern is to have that a better hairline. For that we have to do a hair transplant, because if we want to grow a hair, then you have to put a new root, and that is only through a hair transplant. Safety is the main concern right now, because see, results are okay. Results, you do a transplant and 6-7 months the results will come. But right now in our field, safety is the priority. Seeing the COVID times and in general.
And also after that, many times people have infection. Yes. Many people have a little bit of allergy and uneasiness. Yes. What about that?
No, everything has to be taken care of, right? So it's not, though it's a minor procedure, it's a minimally invasive procedure like a dental procedure, but due protocols have to be taken. Otherwise, infections can set in, allergies can happen, and of course, if everything is not done properly, according to SOPs, the outcome also will be compromised. So now that you are here, don't worry. I'll show you everything, and if you like it, we'll proceed.
We'll have it soon.
MedLinks ensure 0% damage. We have experience of 7,500 plus hair transplants, served patients from 20 plus countries across the world.
So I'll show you a detailed presentation of what we do in a hair transplant. Ab dekho isko, and then you decide whether this is good enough for you or not. And of course, you'll have questions, and just feel free to ask me anything, right? And then will we arrive in a, it will be a good decision whether we should or we should not do this.
Okay.
So basically, we lose hair because of genetic and certain external factors. Genetic means there is a family tendency to lose hair, in the person's family, and then with stress, dandruff, using like you used to use a lot of styling products during your shoots. So all these things, smoking, improper diet. So all these things aggravate your hair loss. It had to happen, but if these external bad factors come in, it happens fast. And it happens before an age, it happens more than what it should have happened. So that's why we use hair. Now, we do medicines when the person comes to us at an early stage and we want to arrest the hair loss. But once that phase is passed and a certain area becomes bald and we want to grow hair there, then it has to be a hair transplant, which is a minor surgical procedure. But as it's a minor surgical procedure, you see what we do, and it's not that big a deal. So we take hair from the permanent zones and that we put it on the bald areas, and gradually these hair grow and cover the bald areas. So primarily there are two ways of doing it. One is the strip surgery. आपने देखा होगा कि a big piece chunk of the skin is taken out, and then a slightly less invasive one is FUE, where we cherry pick the hair. Instead of doing a big cut and stitch, cherry picking is done. Both are good procedures, both have their pros and cons, but these days mostly we and patients prefer the FUE technique because it's less painful, less invasive, faster healing, and patients are happier somehow in the FUE technique. There are certain scenarios where we do the FUT also, and then when like patients like you are looking for the best possible that can be offered with least discomfort, we offer them the perfect eye technique, which we have.
What is that?
So that is a modification of FUE. So we are doing the same thing but in a different way. So we are not storing the grafts. We extract an implant at the same time. There is no step in between. So it's an absolutely raw implantation of your hair instantly. So I'll just examine your donor area, okay? Okay. So we have thin hair, but आपका the strip line is very good. Okay, so we'll be able to give you a nice symmetrical hairline. So this is what we'll plan. That the main problem here is that the recession of hairline. Rest everything is fine. We'll do a bit of filling if needed. This is the main concern here. So अब इसको बस age appropriate रखेंगे, बहुत low नीचे नहीं करना. We'll do a nice shape. And slight temporal drag. If you want, we can slightly lower it down further. A nice frame, even better in the face. This will be the plan. Super.
A dedicated OT floor is available to authorized personnel only with world-class facilities, UV sterilized and 100% bacteria and fungus-free operating room, including modern high-tech equipment for hair transplant.
All I can say is it was consult Dr. Gaurang Krishna. Dr. Gaurang, see you soon for the hair procedure. I'm very, very particular, fussy about hygiene, cleanliness, safety at the medical facilities. Looking at MedLinks, I'm satisfied, I'm happy, and I shall be there soon.
Genuine care of our patients makes us unique. After all, our patients are everything for us.